Hey, let me take my shoes off.
Go.
That's cold. Yeah. I can't see. Walk out my eyes. I can't see. I can't see at all. I'm like blind.
Funny. Look at this. I'm on it.
It's trying to. Dude. It's funny, I didn't even want to get out of there.
I don't have a phone.
I know, I'm kidding.
Ah! I can't see.
I would do that if my phone wasn't in my pocket.
Well, why are you still there though? Elisha.
Wait, come closer. Oh my god.
Dude! No, standing there like Elisha
Dude, this
did.
is fucking hilarious.
Yeah,
Dude,
training in the rain.
Now!
Oh god, this is priceless.
Squat!
What?
Squat!
Are you seeing this?
Squat down, little boy!
You can do it, bud.
This is priceless.
It's time to go.
This video is priceless.
I can't do it.
What are you doing?
My phone is wet.
I can't do that.
Try it!
I can't. I tried it before.
Alright, see.
Okay, it's running horribly.
I love it! Keep that emotion real.
I can't see. What time is that?
Time to go, man. Let's go. Dude, it's raining horribly.
Oh, my ears.
It's 2:32. We need to be back in like 3 minutes.
Yeah. What are your comments for this special occasion?
Put your fucking shoes
Fuck
on.
my shoes.
Fuck your couch.
Alright, let's go.
Dude, we need to go in like 3 minutes. We need to be back to
Balls.
Miss Salazar will be
Holy
She's
shit,
gonna be like,
man.
what the fuck?
Balls.
Balls.
Yeah, balls. Oh, dude, your camera's wet.
Why is it fucking wet?
Like, the camera's not wet. It's just got sprinkles on the lens. There we go.
Give me a hug.
Dude,
Yeah,
your
hug
footprints.
There's footprints everywhere.
I know, dude.
Yeah, take pictures then. Dude, Elisha, walk up to that chick and give it a hug. That chick standing there with the black and white dress.
We need to be back in like 3 minutes.
What time?
Who wants a hug?
Hour.
He'll give you a free hug. Who wants a hug? Yep.
You're still.
Dude, Elisha, you have to upload this video to Facebook.
I know.
It will be priceless.
I will.
Yeah, you have to.
It's even though it's gonna take like
Like, it's not even your option, man. You have to.
Yeah, man. I like costume wet floor. Oh, I didn't have to worry about that.
He's wetter than the floor.
Yeah, he's wetter
Yeah.
than the floor.
Exactly.
Nice.
It's colder in here than it is outside.
Of course it's gonna be cold. You're soaked, man.
Miss Salazar's gonna be like so pissed off.
Yeah, shit.
I don't care. Did you get pictures of that?
Yes.
Good.
Dude, I have the whole video.
Okay.
You have
Don't
to
show
upload
it
it.
to Miss Salazar. Do not show it to her.
Stop now, Armando. Stop.